And I am back at it again the next day. As you can see, it's still snowing. It's basically just been snowing continuously for almost 36 hours. And I think the cumulative snowfall for the past like 24 or 36 hours or so is like 40 plus centimeters, which is insane. So I'm hoping today is much softer on the surface, so less dust on crust. We'll see. Really excited. Okay, let's do one warm-up run from Bone Face, and then we're gonna go to Sky Chair. Oh dude, so much softer here. Dude, this is so good. Hell yeah. Let's see this. Dude, no way! I mean, there's still sharks for sure. I just definitely caught a few. But man, yeah, bro! Finally! Oh my god! Wow, dude, that is so good. That is so fun! Yeah, bro! No way! How much snow there is here? Wow! Let's go do it. I'm going straight to Cypress right now. Sorry, Sky Chair. I'm going straight to Sky Chair, right there. Let's definitely go find some trees. And there's no one here! What? Bruh! Hell yeah! Alright dude, let's go find some trees. And we're going up, and look at that. Nobody. Nobody. Literally like empty chairlifts. Well, except the two people there, but then a few ones in front of them are just completely empty. This is crazy. Look how much new snow there's here. You can almost sense from these rocks. Dude, and I see a bunch of people shredding trees here, here. Oh my god, dude. Hell yeah. Finally. Finally. Okay. It's time. Wow. Pretty fun. Oh, can we send video of that? I don't know how the landing is there, but that was actually decent. That was very decent. That's not decent. Yeah, I don't really like that, but that landing was a bit harsh. Okay, let's go do some more trees. I mean, yeah, definitely still needs some time. caught a shark. Damn it. I didn't want to catch a shark today, but I guess it is what it is, isn't it? The real question is how the trees are looking. Do anything in the trees there? Probably a bit too early, eh? Going up, back to sky chair, and look, still no lines. I'm literally just lapping powder laps all day with no cue. Woo! Oh, bro! Oh my God! There's so much good snow here! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Dude, yeah. Oh, woo! Oh my God, dude. That is so sick. Woo! I have ascended. Woo! That was epic. All right, right out. So sick! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Woo! Oh, no way! Did you do a front flip? That was sick! That was so sick! Woo! Dude! Hell yeah! Wow, that was the sickest day of the season so far, I think, no question. Sick, right? Narnia. Yeah, that's the line. All right, I like that. Dude, so good. Dude, how sick is that? Done for the day. Well, on this note, I still haven't left. I was doing a few laps, but I'm riding out. That's it. It's time to go home. Let's do it. Oh my God. Oh. Ah. I don't know what I caught, but that was super fun. I think it started to rain right now. Pretty wet snow. Still super fun, obviously, but whew. Yeah, that's good. Gonna be still, I think, pretty sick. Oh my God. Whew. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm definitely tired. Yeah, I'm definitely tired. Whew. Oh, that was so fun. Definitely calling it a day.